Hello, I'm Miss Emma. Once the children start to use the speech sound pics approach, they become obsessed with the code, especially finding new sound pics. So here's the speech sound cloud for the sound ah. Now in mine, I've put an AU because I say laugh. So my ah in laugh is represented by the AU. So in my cloud, I put it like that. Although the clouds are a starting point, we can actually modify them according to accents. So children think about how they say words. So it's not about what's right or wrong. We're helping the brain. We're helping the brain link what they say with what they see on paper. When children read, when you read in your accent.
In animal, animal or animal? Animal. You do an O sound. Oh, okay, because I do an U sound. Animal. I say animal, you say animal.
No.
So it's an U.
Yeah, it's an U. It's not an A, it's an A.
Animal. Go and write it on the U cloud.
I got a new sound.
What? Oh, with the DI for the jug. Go and write on the sound.
Who else had them? Dallas. What were your sound pics?
E-I-G-H-E.
Tell Miss Emma. Miss Emma Dallas had some as well.
Hold on, go and get me your, where did you write them down?
I have one as well.
What's yours?
E-H and Bezat.
In what?
Bezat. It's a Turkish name.
Wow!
A Turkish
name. It's my new bag. It's my new handbag.
That's not. This is my new phone.
Right, tell the camera what we found. So what did we just say? What's this one? Oh, Burley. So the E-I-G-H and E. Now this one, I think it's I-D-E. So I think the A is the sound. And what about that one? How do you say that one?
Sitting down, please, can you take out your reading group?
Sorry, Mrs.
I'm going to give you a sheet.
The children also have their own spelling cloud keyring, so they can carry them around with them wherever they go. It means they develop independence really quickly, and also helps them to identify which words look right, because straight away they can find they can use the different choices. You can order them from the new website sspreaders.com.